welcome back from the break. It's now time for Restaurant of the Week, and today we are incredibly privileged to be at Dusit to Nairobi along Riverside Drive. And to show us what this restaurant, or rather this hotel, is about is Chef Anton, who's the executive chef.
Hi, Catherine.
Thank you so much for welcoming us.
Karibu Soko.
Oh, Karibu Soko. You know Swahili?
Yeah, a little bit.
So we'll conduct this interview in Swahili.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so what I want us to do maybe is go through your menu as I serve. First of all, I'm starving.
Okay, so lots of choice. We're waiting for you. We're waiting for you.
Oh, perfect. So I need you to take me through, let's see, what you have on display today.
Okay.
I know it's just part of your menu for...
So what we do, like every day, we have a buffet from Monday to Friday. So it's
Okay.
like a business buffet.
Okay.
And we have lots of variety. Change every day. We'll have always, chicken, some pork, some lamb,
Okay.
some fish, seafood, some starch. We have everything for everybody. Vegetarian, so we are ready for everything.
So you have everything.
Everything.
Wow.
We have as well a nice salad corner, healthy salad, mixed salad, a beautiful dessert buffet, from our pastry chef Anis.
Yes.
And lots of fruit, juice, fresh vegetable. So
Wow, that's
plenty.
a lot of choice.
Yes.
A lot of
We
choice.
have lots of things.
Okay. So first of all, which country are you from?
France.
Oh, you're French.
I am.
I'm trying to say.
Oui, oui, bien sûr. Bienvenue. Bienvenue
What
à
have you
Soko.
said? Oh, you said welcome to Soko.
Bienvenue à Soko.
Okay,
Oui, c'est ça.
cool. So what we'll do maybe is just go through what you have laid out here, just
Okay.
as you know, just let us know what it is.
So here we have, just what is our time favorite, some steamed rice.
Okay.
Here we have a braised beef ossobuco. Okay, it's always a
Ossobuco,
favorite
the one with the
ossobuco.
bone.
Exactly, yeah,
Okay.
on a beef. Okay.
Yes, okay.
With slow cook.
You
Here
could
in
openly
Soko-
see.
Here in Soko, what we do, our signature dish, we like to slow cook food. Okay, so.
Oh yeah, this is hot?
This is hot. Okay, that's very hot. That's a
Is
hot
this
dish.
like a cooker?
That's a cooker. Today we actually like a three-bean stew. Sometimes we have dal, curry,
okay.
always kind of like a stew. Okay, we keep it on a traditional clay pot.
I see that,
Okay.
a pot.
We have, so this will be our vegetarian guest. Like here today we have an Indian potato curry.
Okay.
Some potato noisettes. So some lots
So
of.
do you have Indian in your everyday buffet?
Exactly. So there's a bit of Indian, some international, a bit of French, some Italian, some Kenyan. So something for everybody.
Every single day.
Exactly.
Okay, then what do
So
you
here we
have
have a
there?
Chinese stir fry.
Yes.
Chinese stir fry. Here we have a chicken pad thai. Same every day. Because our soy restaurant,
looks yum.
we have one dish Thai being cooked from our Thai
soy,
restaurant,
yes.
soy, okay, and we feature it on our Soko buffet, okay. So a bit of Thai as well.
Before you even go on, what's your favorite?
Today, one of our signature dish we have today is our spare ribs. Our Soko spare rib, we have it today on the
I
buffet.
hear they're a big seller.
It's our signature dish à la carte. People come from all over Kenya
they come for
to all over East Africa, coming for
your
our
spare
spare ribs. Okay.
What do you put in there?
It's secret. Okay. It's only three
your
people.
secret.
Only three people in the kitchen knows about our thing.
Three
Me,
people?
my sous chef, and my butcher. Okay. Who makes the spices? Okay.
Are you serious?
Yes. Okay.
I will need to taste that.
We have
Only
a spicy.
three people have the
yes.
recipe.
Yes. Okay.
Interesting.
And so we cook it for 24 hours. This dish is a 1.5 day process. We marinate it for 12 hours, okay, in a brine, and we cook it for 24 hours. So it's a 36-hour process.
Bad.
So yeah, exactly.
36
It's
hours.
36 hours of process.
Whew, okay. Okay.
And today we have as well like a little Middle East Moroccan seafood
Yes.
tagine.
Yes.
So we have a little part of Middle East.
What is
okay.
that?
So it's a seafood, chickpea, seafood, saffron, fennel.
Yes.
So we have
Okay.
a seafood. And as well here, it's still for lunch, it's important just to have a little pasta corner.
What's the chef making there? I want some pasta. Yeah.
He's making,
I don't know. I'll let Chef Anton make
so
the
it's got a
selection.
little, fusilli. Today we have rigatoni and just few fresh vegetables, okay? Because what is Soko, obviously Soko
Fresh veggies.
market and Kiswahili, okay?
Yeah,
so it was
Soko, yes.
my first Kiswahili word, okay? So we really, that's our fresh vegetable, okay?
So what should he make for me?
I think little peppers, little bok choy, little tomato sauce, and it will be, you have a
I'm
nice
just
lunch.
saying yes. Yes, everything he has said, put it in there.
So
Okay.
that's our wide range plus the salad.
Yes.
We have a good.
Okay, so there's more about everything. I think maybe what we should do is go have a seat
Okay.
and we talk more about
Let's try.
your...
Let's
So
try.
the pasta will find me. Yeah.
We have a new order: one red snapper, one main course spare rib.
Okay, so Chef Anton, we are at the table. First of all, it looks very well presented.
Thank you.
We will start with you explaining to me what is this.
So here, just to start, we have a nice cheese, little cheese platter, okay, that we have as well from our buffet, and just a bread, little bread basket.
Yeah.
Okay, that we do grissini. We use some country bread, some mini baguettes, bagel crisps, and
Yeah.
charcoal crisps.
Yeah, for the starter,
making
the
for the
soup,
starter.
yeah.
Exactly. That's what we
Okay,
are.
but I see you have different kinds of cheese here.
Yeah, so here we have, so this one we have a feta cheese, we have some goat cheese, so here is a camembert, and here we have some aged cheddar. Okay.
I've never quite been a cheese person, apart from Parmesan. I just
With
like
the-
Parmesan on my
But
spaghetti.
cheese is getting bigger and bigger in Kenya, so it's a
Kenya.
bigger and bigger demand, okay? So
Okay.
even we can see in our restaurant, guests are asking more
For
and more
cheese.
cheese. Even when we have conference,
Yes.
banqueting, and we're asking some cheese
There has
for
to be a
them.
cheese variety.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
So the next.
I see you have black bread here.
So this bread is made with a charcoal, bamboo charcoal. Okay, so it's a very healthy bread and
And it's
healthy,
edible? I
And it's
can have
edible.
some?
Yes,
So it's made with charcoal.
charcoal, yeah.
Charcoal bread.
Bamboo charcoal. So it's healthy and it looks good and trendy. So
looks very
it's a
good.
win-win.
But my teeth will not be black.
No, it's no.
Okay, this is why you're not having cheese.
I'm reserving for the main course. I think we'll have some red snapper and a main course spare rib coming.
Oh, the spare rib,
Yes,
the famous
yes, the famous
spare rib.
famous Soko spare ribs.
That takes 36 hours.
Exactly.
36.
Okay. And after 3-year opening, it's really a dish we will never take it out, and we really consistent on a dish. So we are very proud of this dish. I'm very proud.
I can imagine. So as the executive chef at this restaurant, how long have you worked here?
It's 3 years. So I was there for the opening, 6 months pre the opening, and so I just did all the menu, find all the suppliers, design the plate,
Yeah.
and design the recipes. So I did everything.
So you
with my
design the
team.
menus and the recipes.
Exactly, with the help of my supportive
you
team.
have a team,
We have
yeah.
a team, okay. We're with 40 people in the kitchen, okay. And that's a supportive team, okay. Work
Yeah.
very hard to please our
Yeah.
customer.
How often do you change your menus?
We give it with 3 months. 3 or 4 months, we always keep refreshing. Okay?
Really?
A new thing. We're always trying to listen to our guests. That's the main thing. We listen to comment, this dish, you will better with this, or why don't you have this dish made this way? So
Yeah.
next menu change, we made
Wow.
like in the first year of opening, we don't have pizza, okay, because we are focusing on other things. And guests, okay, oh, it's a beautiful menu and nice, but so you don't
No
have
pizza.
pizza. And the last menu 3 months ago, we introduced a pizza on our menu.
Wow.
And also we're doing it takeaway, and it's been a success.
been a
okay?
success.
And as we do here, we made it as well on a fun way. Okay.
Wow.
We call them in a different country. We have the Italian, we have the Greek, we have the Kenyan, we have the Japanese, we have the
Pizza.
Yes, a pizza. Okay.
What's a Kenyan pizza
For
like?
Kenya, that's what people do like here.
Oh, the food is here. Thank you, Francis. This is a lot
So that's
of
our
food.
main course spare rib.
Chef, this is the portion it comes in.
That's the portion it coming.
And
Okay.
this is like for 3 people.
That's a Kenyan portion. That's why this is a Kenyan portion.
This is not a
It's like-
lady's
But
portion.
it's I mean, it's a spare ribs come with these bones. Okay, so
It is a lot of food.
it's an addictive dish. Okay, so you will ask for more. You will
You're saying I'll finish this
you
and
will
ask for
finish
more.
and you will ask for one more portion.
I cannot possibly finish,
And
but
you come back tonight.
And still have
yes,
more.
more.
you are hilarious.
Yeah.
But so this then has opened my eyes to just how big your portions are.
But this dish is we follow things. Some dishes are just a bit smaller, like a fish. Will you see? I got a red snapper coming. It's a bit on the smaller side. But this one you order a spare rib. You want it's really you want to eat.
It's
okay,
good
so,
value for
but
money.
all our guests, you will finish the plate because it's something
It's
that
really
is,
that good.
It's really like the catchy phrase, the finger licking good.
And you said it takes 36 hours
36
to do
hours,
it.
yes.
And you said only 3 people, yourself.
Yeah,
Your-
my chef de cuisine and my butcher, okay, who know the mix. So we on top we put a spice rubs, okay, and we have 10 ingredients inside the rub. So we rub the
You're
meat,
the only
okay.
ones who know the ingredients
Yes,
that go
we
into
in
this.
opening we work a good, a few weeks to find the right balance of spices
Wow.
inside the mix.
And your food is here.
Thank you.
That
Thank
looks
you very much. Thank you
nice.
very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
That
So here we have the red snapper with
Yeah.
the salad and a nice bouillabaisse sauce. So here it will be more like that's a bit like so yes. This is a Kenyan dish. This is more like a French. Okay, we have
Yes.
a bouillabaisse butter, some panis crouton, and nice salad. All our dishes, we are being known as well for nice, healthy salad. So many dishes come out of nice Messiaen. I'm working with a nice farm, and we make. Okay.
Can I tell you what else I like before we eat? The presentation. I
Thank-
love it.
Thank you very much.
Very
That's why
beautiful.
we try to keep it creative and you eat
And
first
then-
with your eyes.
Have you garnished with charcoal? Is that like or
This
chocolate?
one we are now using a black ink, black squid ink. Okay.
Squid the fish?
Squid the fish. So we need some ink. So I'm using it in cooking and on garnishing for some of the dishes. Okay.
Wow.
And on the top, I'm
Yeah.
being known as well. Soko is being known, okay, for lots of powder. So here we have as well black olive powder. So we dry it for 2 days on a dry heat, okay, and we make a powder. So it gives a nice taste
Yeah.
to the dish.
Okay, this is how you say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
That's the only
Bonjour.
French French phrase I know. Let's see how this goes. Wow, and your plates. Look at the shape of your
This was a big plate and it's
The
a little,
design
it's like a paint, it's a painting.
It
it's
is.
a painting.
It's a piece of art. So I need to know how to murder this steak.
So the bone is
It's vertical,
yes.
like that. Okay. You see, yours is very easy to eat
yeah, maybe as a
because you're already used to that. Okay. See, this is taking me a bit of time, but we're there, we're there, we're there, we're there.
we have lots of time. We have a whole lunch. We have all day.
We have you want us here the whole day. Let me taste this 36-hour meal.
Butter soft.
It's very, very soft and very tasty.
And so it's also process going to it. So we brine it and you cook it and the rubs and the barbecue sauce.
A baby can eat this. It's very
Yes.
soft.
Yeah, that's why I mean this dish. Lots of parents will come actually. For kids, we sell it in starter portion, so smaller and main course portion. Okay, and lots of guests will come just to have a seat with a nice fries and that's it. And,
I'm tasting some sweetness. There's
with the
also some-
barbecue, so inside the sauce is a house barbecue sauce made with pineapple.
So everything that you use on your food, you create it yourself.
Exactly from the early
From
stage,
scratch,
from
yeah.
scratch,
Yeah.
from scratch. That's why it is to go first to meet the supplier, to go to the market, to go to the farm, to talk to the farmer, yes, and build a menu with it. Okay?
Yeah.
Like here from this one, it's all locally.
It looks
okay.
very good, even yours.
We
like what's
we import very few ingredients,
Yeah.
okay, in Soko. In soy, in our Thai restaurant, we import a bit more, of course, to get this
Thai,
authentic.
yes.
But here all will be locally sourced.
Sauce. What's that under your fish?
Yeah, it's fennel. It's fennel.
Wow.
It's not used so much yet in Kenya. It's still like
a foreign herb, yeah.
And so yeah, I cook it. It's very French. I cook it very slowly with a bit of butter, olive oil, fennel seed, and next time I cook it slowly, 30 minutes. We like it slow. Yeah.
So, when you go to your house after a hard day's work as the executive chef of Dusit Hotel, what do you like to eat? Do you even cook for yourself, by the way?
No, no, because I spend my day in Soko,
testing,
you know, and just I will not cook so much home.
Of course not. Yes.
But whatever I cook home still is a fan. I mean, if I have to cook, it will be just.
Yeah. Oh.
What I like is a fresh piece of fish. I mean, just grilled on a griddle, in a griddle,
yes.
and sit with the vegetable, just very fresh. Okay.
That's all you like.
Because what I like to cook here is what I like to
eat, to make for yourself.
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly.
But maybe when you're throwing parties and everything, people must love to come to your house because they'll get.
Yes, there's always some good. But as a chef, you're always flexible. You're not so much a critic. Okay, when you go to somebody else, you don't really critic. You're very humble.
Chef, this is very good. What are these flakes on top of my?
It's a crispy shallot. So. The little onion, okay, deep fry, just to give, because it's to create some texture. Because it's so butter soft and so soft, you want to have a little crunchiness. Okay, it's just nice to the tongue, to the palate.
I take back my words earlier, where I said it's impossible to finish this, or
you will,
it's very possible.
You will.
I take back my words. This
but
can be done in
you want
20 minutes.
You want to forget the good manner. You just want to dig in with your hand.
I want us to finish so that when the cameras go off,
and just go with
I'll just I'll wrap this thing with my hands in 10 minutes. It will be gone. But how long have you been in this industry?
So I've been cooking since I was 15 years old.
Oh.
Okay, so it's a long time.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's why as a French chef, okay, in France, when you start cooking, it's a normal 15, 16 is the age that you start. Okay,
yeah.
You go to the chef school, I did, or you start your apprenticeship in a restaurant. Okay, so I did my 4 years in school. And,
okay.
And start to work abroad. So I did all my training in France, and when I was 19 and a half, I just moved to abroad for pursue my career.
Yeah. Wow. And then you landed in Kenya.
Landed in Kenya 3 years ago. Yeah.
Okay.
And very glad I did.
In France, there's a famous chef. I don't know whether she's a chef or it's the subject of many stories or movies. Julie. Is it Julie or Ju someone?
No, I don't know.
You must know her. I see her in the movies a lot. Or rather, most people, maybe I think it's a movie story, I don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. I can't even remember her name.
Maybe Ratatouille, the cartoon.
Maybe that. Okay, and I'm sure of course, you enjoy what you do.
Yes, I think it's the main thing. On the chef, you cannot, it's only one, I mean, I speak for myself, one of the jobs that you cannot do it if you're not enjoying it. Because it's hard work, it's a long hours, so you need to have the passion. If you have no passion, you cannot make it.
Yeah.
And you will see it in my early days, like in my grade in school, out of 20 young chefs, there's only 2 or 3 who are still cooking. Because if you don't like it, you just move on to
you can't succeed unless you're passionate about it.
And the success is just to do something new every day, to create a new dish, okay? And it's a constant. Without new invention, you just get bored and you lose the passion, you lose the fire. So,
so when you hear good commendation from guests saying, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, how does that make you feel?
I mean, that's one of the things I get up in the morning, okay, to cook and to hear some good feedback.
Yeah.
And, after people, when people are exiting Soko, exiting things like people are being, they had a good time, they had good food, they had a good beverage and a good service, and they are going home, they had a good time, and I feel my job is done, and I can go home and
you're fulfilled.
I'm fulfilled, I can rest and I can sleep peacefully.
Do you have a favorite dish?
The main, I'm a meat lover, okay? So anything relating to grilled meat is my favorite, okay?
So you're a carnivore.
Carnivore.
Yeah.
So it will be a nice, tasty ribeye steak on a bone, 500 grams. That's what I will love. Okay.
Okay.
But as well, my other thing, yeah, it's like the spare ribs. Okay, slow cook is will be my second favorite.
Which one?
Like this one, a slow cook meat.
Slow cooked.
We have a beef short rib that we have on the menu.
Yeah.
So same, we cook it for 12 hours. The beef short rib. We cook it in with a Cabernet Sauvignon. And it's one of my
form of wine?
Yes, a form of wine. Okay, it gives this nice, powerful wine. So it balances the power of the.
I couldn't wait. Sorry, I couldn't wait. But did you see that? It fell off the bone very, very easily.
That's what happened. In itself, ribs will be a tough meat, okay? And that's why to cook it slowly, that's what we stand out from other restaurants for this finger licking good.
Finger licking indeed. This is lovely. I've had such a wonderful time. And you're not even eating your food.
No, I'm just watching you enjoying your spare ribs.
Enjoying my spare ribs. So, for people to come to Soko, as the executive chef, what would you tell them to come for? Why should they come to your restaurant?
So if they would come and they should come to Soko. As what's a great thing, it's lunch and dinner. Lunch is we have a different menu in lunch. It's more faster, lots of sandwiches, some burger, lots of pasta, the spare ribs, and we try to make it fast as well. Fast service, you can come in, out within 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you can have a good business lunch. Dinner is a bit different. We have the candles, the dim light, it's a bit more
romantic.
I would say romantic, fine dining. The food is more slow. I mean, you go to a slower pace. And in the evening, we go more to, you go here, you have a nice dessert, 3-course meal, and you try and sample our food. And the great thing with Soko is a variety, okay? So we have as well lots of vegetarian, okay? We have lots of things, I mean, we have few pork dishes, but as well we have lots of mixed seafood, lots of chicken dishes, some Indian dishes. So, I mean, I would say we're international restaurant, even so I don't like so much the word international because it's been overused.
It's a cliche now.
So we still specialize only few, I would say French, Spanish, Italian, we have few Indian dishes and some Kenyans. That's what is our main five.
And the best thing also about your restaurant, the ambience is beautiful.
It's a relaxed, arty and people. And how it's spread out, it's very as well intimate and very private, okay? And like we have as well a long this table here, so it's like our signature table, where you can have a nice friend and a high table. We have a round table, we have the terrace with more eating al fresco. So
it's beautiful, I love it. I love your burgers, by the way.
Thank you.
Your hamburgers.
we sell as well, it's one of those things, we are Soko, we will do some fine dining dishes, okay? But as well, at the same time, if you want to come in a dinner, have a burger, you can have as well a good burger or good pizza.
And, your burgers are out of this world.
One important to do, the main aim is always to please the guests. And so burger is a burger, but hey, if you come and want to make a nice burger, guests are happy, we are just fine.
Well, Executive Chef Anton, thank you so much
for
inviting us to your restaurant. We have had a wonderful time, and all the best with everything you're planning to do this year.
Thank you, and hope to see you soon in Soko.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Well, that marks it for our restaurant of the week. This week we visited Dusit D2 Nairobi, which is along Riverside Drive, and we've had a conversation with the executive chef Anton. It's French. I will not ask for your second name because maybe I can't pronounce it.
No, you will not be able to.
Exactly. So until next week, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day.